In today's video, I will walk you through how to make donor list in Salesforce. To begin, move to the sidebar inside Salesforce and select Contacts. After the Contacts page opens, continue by locating the List View section near the top area of the screen. Once you are inside the Contacts section, move to the drop-down menu or Edit option connected to the current contact list view. Continue by selecting My Contacts from the available options. Salesforce will then display the contacts connected to that selected list view. After the contacts are displayed on the screen, move to the right side of the page and locate the List View Controls option. Select List View Controls to open the available management options for contact lists inside Salesforce. Once the menu appears, continue by selecting New. Salesforce will then open the setup page used for creating a new list view. This new list view will be used for the donor list setup. Inside the new list view form, move to the list name field and enter the name donor list. Continue checking the visible fields displayed on the page after entering the list name. Next, move to the list API name section. Salesforce will automatically generate or display the API name field connected to the list name you entered. In this example, continue by entering the same donor list name using an underscore format for the API name field. After completing the API name section, continue reviewing the remaining options shown on the screen. Salesforce will also display visibility settings for the list view configuration. Move to the visibility section and choose who can access the donor list view. Salesforce may display options such as only you or all users. Continue by selecting the visibility option you want to apply to the donor list setup. Once the list name, API name, and visibility settings have been completed, continue reviewing the information displayed on the page. Confirm that the correct donor list details appear inside the setup form before saving the configuration. After reviewing the setup information, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then process the new list view configuration and create the donor list inside the Contacts section. Wait a few moments while the page reloads and updates the contact list settings. Once the setup process finishes, the donor list will appear inside the available list views connected to the Contacts section in Salesforce. The process includes opening contacts, selecting My Contacts from the list view options, opening list view controls, creating a new list view, entering the donor list name, configuring the API name, choosing the visibility settings, and saving the completed setup inside Salesforce. Once the page reloads and the donor list appears successfully, the process for making a donor list in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.